However, when it comes to tales of mystery and wonder from outer space, few incidents capture the imagination quite like Aldrin's account of seeing a peculiar object during the historic Apollo 11 mission to the moon. It was July 1969, and all eyes were on the Apollo 11 mission. Armstrong, Collins, and Aldrin were the trio representing humanity's efforts to land on the moon for the very first time. As they hurtled through the vastness of space in their command module, Aldrin saw something that would spark debates, inspire countless theories, and fuel the fires of our cosmic curiosity for decades to come. Peering out of the window, Aldrin caught sight of a peculiar object floating alongside them. It wasn't just a fleeting glimpse either. This thing was positively there, tangible, and very much real. The object wasn't a part of their spacecraft, nor was it any recognizable space debris. It moved in such a way that it seemed to be under some sort of control, rather than simply tumbling aimlessly. What made this sighting especially riveting was not just the mere existence of the object, but the caliber of the witness. Remember, Aldrin wasn't just an average Joe with a casual claim. He was an astronaut, a man of science, trained to observe and report with accuracy and precision. This was a man who had undergone countless hours of training, simulations, and tests to ensure that when the time came, he would be ready to document every aspect of the mission. Imagine being thousands of miles from Earth, in the great dark void of space, and seeing something unexplained right outside your window. The natural question that would pop into anyone's mind would be, what on Earth, or rather, what off Earth is that? This is what Aldrin and his crewmates must have wondered. To add to the plot, the astronauts on board Apollo 11 were hesitant to immediately inform Mission Control about the strange sighting. They first opted to inquire indirectly about the location of the stage of the Saturn V rocket they had detached from earlier. This was to ascertain if what Aldrin was observing could be this discarded component. The response confirmed that the stage in question was 6,000 miles away. So whatever Aldrin was watching was definitely not that. Speculation about the object was rife. Was it an optical illusion? A reflection of some internal piece of the spacecraft? Or, as many enthusiasts dared to ask, was it evidence of some other intelligent entity taking a keen interest in humanity's first journey to the moon? To make the event even more intriguing, this wasn't a narrative that Aldrin shied away from after returning to Earth. Instead, he spoke openly about it in interviews. He was transparent about what he saw, what he felt, and his own interpretations of the event. He was careful not to jump to conclusions, but was equally clear that he saw something genuinely unidentifiable. This account from the Apollo 11 mission serves as a potent reminder that space remains a vast, largely unexplored frontier. Even with our most advanced technology and our best-trained minds at work, there's so much we don't know. Aldrin's encounter underscores the tantalizing possibility of countless mysteries lurking in the vast expanses, waiting for us to discover them. The object Aldrin saw has spurred many to dig deeper, to ask bigger questions about our universe and our place within it. It has inspired both seasoned scientists and armchair astronomers to keep their eyes on the skies and their minds open to the infinite possibilities that space presents. In the history of space exploration history, Apollo 11 stands out as a crowning achievement of human capability. Yet, it's this unexpected and unexplained twist that gives the tale a sprinkle of magic and wonder. But wait till you hear Aldrin's other assertions on the cosmos. We are not alone in this vast universe. When you pause and consider the staggering vastness of the universe, it becomes almost absurd to think that Earth is the only haven for life. Think about it. There are billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, and around those stars orbit untold numbers of planets. Aldrin firmly emphasizes this point. The idea of Earth being a unique cosmic anomaly becomes minuscule when faced with such vastness. How can we, in our one tiny corner of the Milky Way, possibly be the only thinking beings? Aldrin has never been one to shy away from the monumental. This is a man who, along with Neil Armstrong, made the giant leap for mankind onto the lunar surface. His feet touched alien soil long before most of us were even contemplating the prospects of alien neighbors. It's this first-hand experience that gives weight to his beliefs. If humans can tread upon our moon, then why wouldn't other life forms be gazing at their moons and stars, thinking of the endless possibilities, just like us? Buzz's fervor for space exploration and his commitment to deepening our understanding of the cosmos is unmistakable. He's lived and breathed the alien, the otherworldly, the cosmic unknowns, and emerged with a conviction that echoes through the very fabric of space-time. We are not the only ones here. Now let's dive deeper into this cosmic perspective. Imagine a vast ocean teeming with different species, from the smallest plankton to the giant blue whale. If Earth was a single drop in this ocean, wouldn't it be preposterous to assume that life existed only in that one drop? The wonders of the universe are truly beyond comprehension. But every day, our scientists and astronomers are making discoveries that push the boundaries of our understanding. Exoplanets are being discovered at an exhilarating rate, many of which are located within the Goldilocks zone, that magical region around a star where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. If that doesn't fire up your imagination, consider this. These are just the planets we've found. There are surely countless more out there, waiting to be discovered, potentially teeming with life. Aldrin's assertions also come with a subtle but compelling challenge. He's urging humanity to continue its cosmic journey. His belief in extraterrestrial life is more than just an assertion. It's a clarion call for continued exploration. It's a beckoning towards a future where interstellar travel isn't just the stuff of science fiction, but a tangible reality. Imagine the civilizations we could meet, the cultures we could immerse ourselves in, and the cosmic mysteries we could finally unravel. Beyond just the potential of biological entities, think of the forms that extraterrestrial life could take. Silicon-based beings, gas giants with floating sentient forms, or even beings of pure energy. The universe is a playground of endless potential, and Aldrin's conviction is a testament to the boundless possibilities that lie in wait. While skeptics might argue that there's no concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, Aldrin's perspective is grounded in probability and optimism. It's a reminder to always keep an open mind and to let curiosity be our guide. The vastness of the universe, combined with the exciting discoveries of exoplanets and the mysteries they hold, make the notion of life beyond Earth not just plausible, but highly likely.